Hi, I'm Michael, and today I'm going to discuss how to do a backup and restore to a SQL Server database. All right, let's get to it. So we've got our SQL Server Management Studio already open with our localhost instance connected. We see that we already have the Stack Overflow database that we created yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and take a right click on there, go to Task, go down to Backup. So if you've already got a lot of backup jobs going on, you can always hit the backup copy only, and that won't break your log chain. So we won't worry about that right now because we don't have that. As for where we're going to keep that backup, I'm going to remove this, add c/temp. We'll edit st overflow stack over the BAK as the extension for the backup. Push OK. Alright, when we use a full backup type, you can also see that there's the differential option as well. We'll just keep the regular backup settings and push OK. This should take a few seconds, and you'll see the execution down here. It's about 30%. It's going to keep going. You can stop the action now. But let's see where it is. So you can see that backup is over here right now. It's just created. So we are going to go over here. It looks good. You can see that it's about 8.36 gigs, so it's slightly smaller than the actual backup itself, or than the database itself. Alright, so let's try to do a restore real quick. We're going to name this differently. We're going to do task, do a restore a database. Alright, so let's go to device, look for it, add. We will go back over to that tempdb, or not tempdb, C drive, and then we'll go down to the temp. That's where I have it at. Call OK. Alright, so right now you can see that it's actually named Stack Overflow 2010. We're going to change the name, that way we can have both of them at the same time. So I'm going to get rid of it afterwards. So we'll do this Stack Overflow restore. And so this will be the new name of it. Alright, let's see the log sequence numbers. Alright, see if there's anything else I need to add. So if you are moving it from one drive to, if you're moving it one instance to another that happens to be on a different server, maybe it has a different path that you like to use for your default instance or databases, I usually will hit the relocate all files to folders, but we don't need to, since this is literally to the same instance and it has the same file path. We'll go down to, if you were actually wanting to overwrite this one, you would just do overwrite the existing database with replace. You can close existing connections. There's nothing there to get rid of because this is going to be a new database called Stack Overflow. So let's go ahead and hit it. This should take maybe around the same amount of time. It's already at 50–60%. Alright, there it is. About the same size. Alright, if you like this video and you want to see how I created this instance, please go to my SQL Server video. Alright, later.